New York Day Spa has been getting a lot of press lately about this Geisha Facial, so I'm here to get the real poop. I mean, scoop.
Yes.
So what are the benefits of getting the Geisha Facial?
Well, Geisha Facial contains nightingale droppings, has natural enzyme and guanine to cleanse and brighten the skin. Would you like to try one?
I'm not so sure.
It's a great experience. You smell just like organic.
Well, okay.
Great.
Shizuka, thank you so much for encouraging me to get the Geisha Facial. I feel such a big difference in my skin already.
Great. It was my pleasure. I'm glad you liked it. So please come back again.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.